Hello, my wonderful students. Very good morning to everyone. So, today we are going to see a live corrected answer paper for term 1, class 4. The subject is EVS. Okay. So, in this video, I'm going to show you what questions they were asked and how to answer all the questions. Okay. So, let's go into this lesson. And, students, if you want the worksheet for practice, you have to click the link which is given in the description box. Join the channel. I'll be sending you many worksheet for practice, so it will be very useful for your examination. Okay, so let's go into this. So the subject is EVS, and this is for class 3. Okay, for class 3 EVS, and exam time is 2 hours. Total marks would be 40 marks. Okay, so first one is observation part, and next we have identification. Next we have discovery of facts. So observation, they are given 10 marks, and identification 15 marks, and discovery of facts 15 marks. Okay, first we will go to observation. Okay, so observe the picture given below and answer the following question. So you have to observe the picture which are given here, and we need to answer the following question. Name the container. So what container is this? It is a jug. Okay. So correctly the student has written the answer. Next, name the flower. So what flower is this? This is a sunflower. So sunflower. Okay. Next, an insect with 8 legs. So insect with 8 legs. If you count how many legs are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 legs are there. So insect is spider. Okay. And next one minute students, it is hidden. I'll take a screenshot and I'll show you. I think now it will be visible. 1 minute. Yeah, it is visible. So name the room. So what room is this? This is a bedroom. So bedroom. And in your upcoming exam, they will be asking, they will be giving kitchen or living room, any room, study room. You have to identify the picture and write the answer. Okay. This is the previous year question paper. The answers and the questions will be different. Do not expect the same question. Okay. So the observation part. So we have completed the 4 questions of observation part. Okay. So let's see the next one. So next, next is like we have identification. Okay, so first we had observation, next we have identification. So identification, the following. Identify the following. So the questions were asked. Let's see the questions. Leaf, root, stem. Father, mother, brother. Okay, leaf, root, stem. So leaf, where do you find a leaf, a root and a stem? From a tree or a plant. So you can write the answer as parts of the plant. Students, while writing the answer, write very neatly. Okay, so you can write parts of the plant. Okay, so next, father, mother, brother. So father, mother, brother are in our family. Okay, here when you start family, always use capital letter. Okay, family. Next, find the odd one, circle it and write. So we have to find the odd one and you have to circle and write. So the first one is dining room and bathing, living room, bathroom. So when you see dining room, it is a room, and living room also a room. Bathroom is also a room, but bathing is a activity that we are doing. Okay, so bathing is no way related to the room. So you have to circle bathing and write bathing in the line like this. So you can write bathing. Next we have hand pump. Okay, lake, hand pump, rain, drinking. So we have lake is a source of water. Hand pump is also a source of water. Rain again a source of water. Drinking, it's like again an activity. So circle drinking and write drinking here. Drinking. Okay. Next, answer the following. Again, I'm going to take a screenshot of this because it is like it's in very down page. Okay. I think this will be visible now. Okay. Next is 1 minute, student. So next would be answer the following in ascending order, small to big. Okay, so we have given with termite, elephant, rabbit, and dog. So you have to arrange from smaller animal to bigger one. So termites, it's like a very tiny one. So always it goes in the first when they asked from small to big. Okay, so first one will be termite. So Termite, termite. So the next in the list comes rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit. So when you compare to rabbit and dog, dog is bigger than the rabbit. So next is dog. And the biggest one in this group is elephant. So and elephant. Elephant. Okay. So what they have asked, arrange the following in the ascending order, small to big. So what and all they have given? They have given termite, they have given elephant, they have given rabbit, and they have given dog. The first come the termite, the smallest one. Next the rabbit. Next dog. Yes, next dog, and the biggest one is elephant. Okay, I'll give you one example, students. Wait, I'll take. Let's have an empty page. I'll open an empty page for you. 1 minute. This is the periodic test of English. Let's see if I have any blank page. Okay. So here I have a blank page. So the question is, they have given, okay, let's write it here. I'm giving you an example one, okay. So the question they are asking is, arrange the following in, following, what they asked, ascending order, small to big. Ascending order, small to big. So the animals they are listing here, lion and monkey, dog, and what else we can write? Elephant. Okay. So now they are asking to do it from small to big. So this is just an example, students. Okay. So anything they can ask. They're not even animals. They can ask like things also, like pencil, rubber. You have to find and write the answer. So again, I have framed a question with small to big only. Okay. So now we will write an answer. So first one, small ant here. So we can write ant. Next we have lion, monkey, dog, elephant. So monkey. Next comes dog and elephant. And students, again monkey and dog, it depends upon the species. Okay, sometimes monkeys are very huge in size and dogs are smaller. But when you compare to few dogs, the dogs will be like very huge breed and monkeys will be little small. So it always depends upon the breed that which we are selecting. So example, now they are asking from big to small. In exam, they are asking in descending order, big to small. So how do you select? Elephant comes first. I'll write in a different color. Okay. So now elephant come first. Next goes the dog, monkey. Okay, I missed the lion, student. So lion comes after elephant. After elephant, it's lion, then dog, then monkey, and then ant. And here, lion comes before the elephant. Okay, so like this, if they frame any kind of questions, you are supposed to be ready to answer it. Okay, so next one. Okay, write any two differences between a leaf of lotus and a leaf of banana. Okay, the students, he has written lotus growing in water, banana tree is water, the banana no. This is not the correct answer, students. Okay, and this is also not the correct answer. This is also not the correct answer. He's written lotus leaf in the leaf. Next, we will watering the banana tree. No. Okay, I will write the difference and I'll show you the difference. Okay. Okay, first difference here I'll write for leaf of lotus. So leaf of lotus. So lotus leaf is round. 1 minute. Round in shape. Okay, next banana. Banana leaf is long and flat. Okay, so this one is the first difference. Second one, lotus leaf grows in water. So it grows in water. And this one, it grows in land. Okay. So lotus leaf is round in shape. Here you have to write the answer, students. The first one. So here write the answer. Lotus leaf is round in shape and banana leaf is long and flat. And here it grows in water. You can write lotus leaf grows in water and banana leaf grows in land. And you can write the difference between the colors also. The lotus leaf, it is dark green in color. In banana tree, it differs. Sometimes it will be in light and sometimes it will be in darker color. Okay. So next one. Group the following. So we have given with few animals here. And we have given with animals kangaroo, a reptile snake, lizard and rabbit. So kangaroo, snake, lizard and rabbit. So animals that hop, animals that crawl. So first we will understand a difference between what is a hop and what means crawl. Okay. First we will see for crawl. So what is crawl? Crawling is like move forward on the hands and knees or by dragging the body close to the ground. That is called as crawling. Like a lizard do, like baby does. That is called as crawling. Hop is called as a jumping from one place to another. Not taking a step, it is like jumping. From example, I'm standing in one place. Here I'm standing and I want to go here. I will jump and go. For example, if I want to crawl, I'll go like this, by crawling. So this is called crawling. And if I want to reach this place by jump, I'll be jumping and going. Okay. So now we will see the question they have asked. Group the following. Kangaroo, snake, lizard, rabbit. Animal that can hop. So animal that can hop, student has written kangaroo and rabbit. That is correct answer. An animal that can crawl, snake and lizard. Students, if you see the student handwriting, see the snake, yes, and L lizard, both are looking same. We couldn't able to identify the difference between S and L. So while writing, you should be like very careful. S should be framed like this. It is snake. And if you are writing in cursive handwriting, you should write S like this. Okay, again L, it should be lizard. Okay, and you are using cursive, L should be written like this. Okay, so handwriting is like very important, students, in any subject or any matter you are writing. The word should be like very specific and the letter should be clearly identified. Okay, next one. Long answer. Name the things and plants need to grow. So what all things that a plant need to grow? We already discussed an EVS lesson. So the students has written the plant. Okay. First we will see what all the things a plant need to grow along with the diagram and then we'll come to this answer. Okay. Okay, now look at this image. So we have a plant and we have a beautiful flower. So the things that is very important for a plant to live, the first thing is soil and air, sunlight, water and some space to plant. Okay, so air, soil, light, water and for space. Okay, And let's go to the answer paper now. So the student has written the plant needs water, sunlight, soil and air. Okay. Again, if you see the handwriting, it is not at all clear. The first letter, it is like very small. So I'll just write and show you how should we write the answer. Okay. So the each and every letter should be very, very neat, students. Okay. So the plants need water, sunlight, soil and air. Okay, so I have written the answer for you. So next, write the relation. So we have given with few sentence and we need to find our relation over here. So the first question, my father's father is my dash. My aunt's son is my dash. My brother's brother is my dash. Okay, so my mother's brothers is my dash. Sorry. So my father's father is grandfather. So grandfather. And if they ask my mother's mother is grandmother. If here they ask mother's mother, then you have to write grandmother. Okay, likewise, if they ask father's mother is also grandmother, and mother's father is also grandfather. Don't get confused, students. All are same. I'll type and show you so that you will not get confused. Okay. Anything they will frame in your exam. So here I'll be writing. Okay, is the screen visible? Yes, it is. Okay, so now mother's mother, then father's mother. What else they asked? So next, father's father, mother's father. So if you see this, so we have mother's mother, father's mothers. So both are grandparents. Okay. So here it just comes grandmother. And father's father, mother's father, both are grandfathers. This one is very important, students. Do not get confused. This question surely will come for your examination. Okay. So, mother's mother, father's mother, grandmother. Father's father, mother's father is your grandfather. Okay. So, next. My aunt's son is my dash. So the student has written brother, which is totally incorrect. So my aunt's son is not your brother. Okay. So your aunt's son is called as your cousin. So I'll write in blue color. So it will be a little brighter for you. So cousin, Cousin, your cousin. Okay. And next, my mother's brother's is my dash. My mother's brother is your uncle. So uncle will be our always all-time favorite, right, students? So correct answer. Okay, let's see few of the relations so that in exam, if they ask, you can able to write the answer. I'll show the few of the list. Okay. Okay, here there are some examples for you. So relationship and the term used. So the first one, father's son or mother's son. So father's son or mother's son is your brother. Okay. So these are very simple questions. So don't get confused. Father's son is your father. So your mother. So when your father and if your mother have a son, it is your brother. Same father's daughter and mother's daughter is your sister. Mother's brother, younger or elder, is your maternal uncle. Father's brother, younger or elder, is uncle, paternal. Father's sister, younger or elder, it can be younger or elder. Father's sister, auntie. Mother's sister, again auntie, or you can write aunt. Son's wife, daughter-in-law. Daughter's husband, son-in-law. So this will you will be getting in your higher standards in fourth standard. Okay. So sister's husband, brother-in-law. Husband's brother or wife's brother, brother-in-law. Brother's wife, sister-in-law. Husband's sister or wife's sister, sister-in-law. Husband's mother or wife's mother, mother-in-law. Brother's son or sister's son is your nephew. Brother's daughter or sister's daughter is your niece. Uncle's daughter or auntie's daughter is your cousin. So you always play with your cousins, right? So cousins. So this question is important, students. This will come in your examination. So very carefully listen. Uncle's daughter or auntie's daughter, cousin. Uncle's son or auntie's son is cousin again. Next, father's father or mother's father. Same thing we have written here, right? This one, same thing. Grandmother and grandfather. So, father's father or mother's father is your grandfather. Father's mother or mother's mother is your grandmother. Sorry. So the next one is also important question, student. This one, father of grandfather or father of grandmother is your great grandfather. Okay. And mother of grandfather and mother of grandmother is your great grandmother. Okay. So very important, students. If you want this, I'll be sending you along with the worksheet. And parents, again, I'm telling, if you want, you have to join the channel to get all these details. Okay. So next we'll go back to the question paper. So the next page they have asked, discovery of facts. So discovery of facts, we have given few things. We don't have a house. We don't water the plant. We waste water. Birds don't have beaks. Plants don't have roots. So you have to write the fact. We don't have a house. So what will happen if we don't have a house? You have to write the answer. I'll show you now. If we don't have a house. So you can write. I'll write the answer here in red, students. So this is for we don't have a house. So if we don't have a house, we suffer a lot and we could not find any protection as there is no shelter, right? Okay. Next, we do not water the plant. So if we do not water the plant, what will happen? It will become weak it will become weak and we will lose 1 minute. The plant may die. Okay, so it will become weak and we may lose the plant, or we may lose the plant. Anything you can write. Okay, next. We waste water. So what will happen if we waste the water? If we waste the water in one point of time, there will be no water. So there will be there will be a shortage of water. So there will be shortage of water and we will be searching water everywhere. So the very important thing is we should not waste water, students. Okay. So in school tap also, if you are opening, not only in school, anywhere you go, if you open the tap, please close it properly. And if you see any open tap also, you inform your parents, Mummy, I see a tap opened there. Can you help me to close it out? You don't go anywhere alone, okay? You always go with your parents or grandparents, okay? That is very important. You should not go anywhere alone, okay? Next. Birds don't have beaks. So the birds don't have beaks. It will be difficult for them to survive. So it will be difficult for survive. You can write. Oh, okay. It's not getting typed. So it will be difficult for survival. Survival means living. Okay, because birds need a beak to eat. Okay. Next, plants don't have roots. So plant without roots, they will not grow. So plant do not grow. So this answer is right. So plant will not grow. Okay. So next one. Short answer we have given with write any one value which you have learned from your family. And next question, why do you need different rooms in our home? Okay, I'm going to erase everything and I'll show you the answer for this question, student. Okay, I'll erase everything and I'll type it here, okay? Okay, write any one value which you have learned from your family. Okay, I'm going to type it over here. Okay, so you can say I have learned love, care, trust, honesty, kindness, empathy, compassion, and many more from my family. Okay. So I have learned love, care, trust, honesty, kindness, empathy, compassion, and many more from my family. So if your class teacher has framed a different answer, you can write that answer also. Next one. Why do we need different rooms in our home? So why do we need different rooms? The students has written we need room because we should keep our house like bedroom, bathroom. No, no, no. This is wrong. So I will erase all these. Okay, and I'll show you the answer. Okay, I'm going to type it over here. So, we sleep, bath, study, eat, play, and do many other activities in our house. A house has different rooms for different activities. This is the room where the family members sit together and watch television. We also receive our guest in our living room. So your answer should be in detail, students. Okay, you can take any points from this one. Okay, because this is a short answer, you no need to write three big lines. You can just finish it off with one or two lines. All right. So next we have long answer. So long answer you have to write in detail. So you have to draw any three sources of water. Draw any three sources of water. So we have sources of water. We have pond, we have rainwater, we have well water, we have river water, we have lake water. So this student has drawn a pond, well, and hand pump. Hand pump, and this has given with 3 marks. Okay. So next, write different uses of water. So what are the different uses of water? So again, he didn't start with a capital letter. So what are the uses of water? So we already learned in EVS. So water can be used for bathing, cooking, drinking, industrial purposes, and medical fields, washing, hospitals, cleaning, in many things. So you can pick few important points, right, has the students written here. So he has given 3 full marks. So bathing, cooking, drinking, washing, and cleaning, etc. Okay. So now we have completed the students, and if you want the previous year's question paper for practice, you have to join the channel. Once you join the channel, send me an email. I will be sending you all the previous year question papers so that you can able to practice for your term 1 examination. All right. So if you have any other doubts, you can always send me an email. My email address is kv.catherine3107@gmail.com. That email address is also given in the description box. Okay. And those who need the worksheet for Maths and English, that is also ready. So this one is your English periodic test question paper. Periodic test term 1 question paper. Okay. So this I will discuss in your next class. And if you want this type of question paper, you have to join the channel. And parents, this video, I hope it will be like very helpful for your child. And if you like this channel, you subscribe and you share to your friends as well. Okay. Take care, be safe, and students, I'm going to give you a big smile today also. And be happy and write your exam well. Handwriting is very, very important part, students. Write your handwriting very neatly. Okay. Do not scribble or do not overwrite anything. Okay. The circle is not that much nice. I'll give you a nice one. Okay. Is this visible, students? Oh no. I'll draw it again. Okay, with a blue eyes. Okay, small ears. It looks like a monkey, right? Okay, so all the very best, students. Take care, be safe, eat healthy foods while going for your examination, drink lot of water. Okay, water always keeps us hydrated. Okay, take care and be safe.